today we're going to solve demodifying problems. So we have a statement that air enters with humidity ratio of 0.088 kilogram of vapor per kilogram of dry air and leaves with humidity ratio of 0.012 kilogram of vapor per kilogram of dry air. Find the moisture removed per kilogram of dry air. So you have the given W1 is equals to 0.088 and W2 is 0.012. So, ang required is the W. So, we have solution now. Delta W is equals to W1 is W2. So, ito yung lagi ng values which is 0.088 kilogram of vapor per kilogram of dry air minus 0.012 kilogram of vapor per kilogram of air. Natay, delta W is 0.006 kilogram of vapor per kilogram of air. So, next problem is we have given mass of air is equals to 2 kg per second. And then W1 is 0.02 kg of water per kilogram of dry air. And W2 is 0.015 kg of water per kilogram of dry air. So ito required is mass of water vapor. So natay solution ng mass of water vapor is equals to mass of air times W1 minus W2. So ito yung input yung values. So natay 2 kg per second times 0.02 minus 0.15 kilogram of water per kilogram of dry air. So ito yung i-cancel out ng values na ito yung cancel out yung unit na kilogram of air. So mag-unit is NW is equals to 0.01 kilogram of water per second.